Hello guys, welcome to our channel Rashmi's Art Gallery. Here we are showing some beautiful back neck designs. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel. Aari work blouses are booming in the fashion industry. Women are allowed to wear designer Aari work blouses. This video is for Aari work designers. We are showing some back neck designs to give you some clear picture. You can create U-neck blouses, you can create the boat neck blouses, you can create the scallop blouses, you can also design on net fabric. You can also create peacock designs like these. These blouse designs are ranging from 500 to 3000 rupees. If you are new to this embroidery work, first try to design simple neck designs. Then you can move to working with net cloth. You can create designs only with beads or only with thread, or you can use both. I hope you all like this collection. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. We will come back with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and have a good day.